Today we have a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is When Police Tell an Entitled 23-Year-Old Her Car is Getting Towed.
And I want another officer out here because I don't like the tone of your voice.
You don't like it? All right, step out.
Holds a blue pen. A woman. On May 6th in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida, an officer was on State Road 7 when he noticed a nearby Camry was being driven by a woman with a suspended license.
You have your license, registration, and insurance?
She didn't. So the officer got to the heart of the matter.
Is there a reason why your license will be suspended already?
The only thing is my insurance.
Your insurance. So you
I was late.
insurance.
I don't know. I was late on it. But I'm not
So
sure.
you got the notice that said your license will be suspended? You didn't show proof for it?
No, not yet. Not yet, because I've been battling the case for my grandma, like before she passed. So after she passed, I kind of make this like.
426 car.
I'll be right back, okay?
The officer then printed out her tickets and returned to get her to sign them.
Sure. Got bad news for you? Okay.
Yeah.
Your license suspended, you already know this. So,
I just came from Polk County yesterday. I had to bury my grandma.
okay?
I came from Polk County yesterday. They sent her up there because my dad's up there. We had a funeral for her.
I understand that. But the
What does that got to do with anything?
license is still suspended, right? So, which means you're going to have to go to court on the 10th.
The officer would explain to the woman where the courthouse was, and then things got difficult.
All right, you sign this for me. Signing it doesn't mean you're guilty. It simply means that you understand that you have to report to court on the date and the time that I tell you, which is June 10, 2025, okay? Yeah, for the ladies.
When did I have a suspended license? Like,
That was in April 7th.
Yeah, she gonna make it difficult.
how much is the ticket?
That I don't know. I don't know the price of the ticket.
You gotta go to court.
Not signing it.
I want to know how much.
I have to tell you, if you don't sign this ticket, you will be going to jail, okay?
I want to wait till my mom gets here then.
What?
I'm going to wait till my mom gets here
You're gonna wait until your mom's here to do what?
to sign.
To sign it? You're over 18, you're an adult. Your mom don't have no say so in this.
I know, but I'm not mentally stable right now. My grandma just passed away. She's the one that raised me. I need my mom's.
Okay. How long? I'm not gonna stand here all day waiting for you.
Like 10 minutes.
So you want me to wait 10 minutes for the man to get here?
You're right here? Yeah.
But you're an adult. You don't understand that?
You're going to let me drive off with the car with a suspended license? Okay, so we have to wait for my mom, right?
The car is going to get towed.
We're going to wait on my mom. She's going to come pick my car up.
No, the car is getting towed. The mom is going to
Could
take
you...
you.
Hold on. I'm going to call my ex-husband because he's a police officer, and then I'm going to get right back to you.
Ma'am, listen.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Because he lives right down the street.
Let me get.
Ex-husband. Oof. Damn, I wonder how they ended up splitting up. Man, but anyways, something as simple as this, I mean, she can't comprehend. She can't comprehend simple things like this, man. He just told you if you sign it, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just, it's all it is saying that I gave it to you, that you recognize, you know, you got to show up to court. That's really it. She talking about, oh, how much is the fine? Well, that depends on when you go to court, and maybe you can get it reduced or dropped or something else. That's what court is for. Go get you a traffic lawyer, probably cost you whatever, $300 or less. Hello, but people don't even be thinking, man.
You're first person.
I said wait.
Let me get the card.
You asked for your super. I need somebody else out here. I don't like the tone of your voice, and you're making me feel. You're making me feel uncomfortable. I'm a child of God, and I don't play these.
I'll tell you that. I'll tell you what.
I'm not that type of person.
Either sign the ticket.
I want to wait till my mom.
Listen to me.
I feel uncomfortable.
This is the option I'm gonna give you.
You either get another officer. I'm waiting till my mom comes. I'm not dealing with your options because I know my law.
Katrina.
So I'm either gonna call another officer out here, or I'm gonna wait till my mom comes.
Katrina. This is your options, right?
I don't feel comfortable. I'm not gonna sign anything under pressure. I'm not doing that.
You can refuse to sign the ticket.
I'm not refusing. I said I'm gonna wait till another officer gets out here. I'm waiting on my mother. Any officer that you call, I don't mind if it's your friend. Call somebody else out here. I'm not signing it until I have somebody else. I want to wait.
For what?
I want to be comfortable. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel like I'm under pressure. I shouldn't be under. The Bible says I can't be under any. But the Bible tells me that I'm not supposed to be under any anxiety. As soon as I get any type of anxiety, I don't want it. I'm gonna wait till another person.
Now she got anxiety. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
We get a 94.
Sorry, tonight?
Let me get a 94 this.
10 for District 4 unit for 294, 55051, building 400 blocks of April 7.
Yeah, you gonna get another officer, all right, to help assist with your arrest.
So
that's what you're gonna get.
To jail, I'm giving you a ticket to go to court. Now you're making this worse than what it is.
Call my mom. I don't know who I signed.
But you're an adult. Your mom have nothing to do.
I never signed a ticket before. I don't feel safe. It's okay if I'm able to call somebody else for advice. That's okay. I don't have the mental stability right now.
All right, let me get the car key.
Can
I get the car key?
No. I'll turn my car off, but I'm not giving
Let me get the car key.
I said no. I said I'm gonna wait till another officer comes out here. That doesn't make any sense. I just bought this car. I'm not losing it right now.
You're not losing your car. Your car is getting towed. You cannot.
I don't have money to tow it. My mom is coming. She has a license.
My mom is not taking the car.
Yes, she is. And I want another officer out here because I don't like the tone of your voice.
You don't like it? All right, step out the car. Nope. No.
Stop. No, I don't feel safe. No.
Stop.
Good job. Get her ass together.
Step out the car.
I'm gonna go to an accident.
Step out the car.
No.
Turn your phone. Step out the car. You're under arrest. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car.
Don't touch me.
Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car.
Oh yeah. I hear them sirens. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Dumb.
Get back.
The officer was just yelling at a woman who had been driving by and stopped. She'd keep her distance, so the officers focused on getting the woman cuffed and on her feet.
Wait. Who yelled at? Who yelled for this lady?
Get back.
The officer was just yelling at a woman who had been driving by and stopped. She'd keep her distance, so the officers focused on getting the woman cuffed and on her feet.
Just not minding her business. Okay. Just somebody that want to be nosy.
Stand up. Stand up. When is your accident? Stand up. Stand up.
This would continue for a couple more minutes as the officer adjusted the cuffs. So like the final season of Game of Thrones, it's not worth watching. And that's why you sign your tickets. Like the channel? Subscribing feeds this narrator's unhealthy need for external approval.
1098.
She was charged with resisting without violence, driving on a suspended license, and refusing to sign a ticket. After successfully completing the court's misdemeanor diversion program, the charges would either be dismissed or not pursued for prosecution. Thanks for watching.
How you go from a ticket to getting handcuffs put on you? What goes on in people's mind, especially when you know you're doing wrong? She know that her license is suspended. I think the officer did a great job, man. I think he really did a great job. He held his composure pretty much together. And it is what it is, man. Got anxiety and all this other shit. Man, miss me with that, man. Just follow the rules. Follow the laws. And that's that. And you'll be cool. You'll be cool.